Hey guys, it's PC Tutorials 007, and for the next 7 videos I'm going to be making, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a virtual world. Now a virtual world, I'll show you guys what a virtual world is. Well, first you're going to need the files to create it. So you're going to need SmartFox server. Okay, this is the website, and I'm going to show you guys also, this is the files you're going to need. And I'm also going to show you guys what a virtual world is. So these type of games where you're a little guy, avatar, you can see other people, they can dress, they can chat, they can play games with you sometimes. They have names and stuff like that, like Club Penguin, Webkinz, if you guys have heard of it. A lot of people have heard of Yoville by Zynga. Stuff like that. Those are all virtual worlds. And what they use is a simple program, and it's called files, and it's called SmartFox Server Pro. I'm just gonna check something. Yes, but the really cool thing about this, the best part, is that it's free. 100% of its features are free. The only thing that sucks about it being free is that it only allows up to 20 concurrent connections. Now what I mean by concurrent connections is concurrent means how many at a time. So if there are 20 people, like say right now, if you publish your game, say 20 people are on your server right now playing your game at the same time, it doesn't matter what room they're in, just chatting or playing games or walking around. If there's 20 people online and somebody tries to connect, which would make them the 21st, it would throw him an error and it wouldn't allow him on the server because it would only support up to 20 concurrent connections. The only way he'd be able to get back on is waiting and trying until somebody else logs on that's already on. But, you know, when it's small like this, 20 concurrent connections is fine, right? You can purchase up to 100 concurrent connections for £500, up to 500 concurrent connections for £1,000, and unlimited for $2,000. Now, I'm not sure what pounds converts to for US dollars and Canadian dollars. I don't even use pounds, I use CDN dollars. But anyways, so you're going to go to SmartFox Server Pro, and you're going to download the file. It'll be a .rar or .zip. So you're gonna need WinRAR or whatever, you're gonna need WinRAR. I like WinRAR the best. Yeah, I like it better than WinZip. So you can open zipped files. RARlab, it's free. And so yeah, you're gonna need to download those files depending on what operating system you are. I downloaded for Windows, so I click that button. So you're going to need SmartFox Server, you're going to need WinRAR, and you're also going to need Adobe Flash CS5. Adobe Flash CS5.5. You can download the trial free on adobe.com. It will expire in 30 days though, but it's fully featured. But, oh, it's CS6 now. But I use CS5.5. Right? And you're going to need that. And one of the things that's not required but you're going to want is you're going to want Notepad++. I mean, you can edit it in Notepad, but Notepad++ is way better, trust me. Okay, I've already downloaded, so I'm not gonna click it. See, this is my stuff right here. So you're going to open up Adobe Flash CS5 or higher, and you're going to go into Open. I've already done this. I'm just going to show you guys. You're going to go to the folder you installed it to. So it should be called SmartFox Server, wherever directory you put it to. You're going to go to Examples, AS2, and you're going to go to 04_avatar chat. And you're going to open avatarchat.fla. Okay, I already have that open. You're going to see a blank screen. That's okay. And you're going to see this stuff right here. That's alright, if you want to get rid of this stuff, you can watch my interface design tutorial, which is going to be in part 2. So we get rid of this and add our own stuff to make it look cool. That's the interface. Like I said, we're doing that in part 2, not part 1. For this, we're only going to be really connecting. So one of the first things we need to do is, if you're in CS5, you're going to publish settings. If you're in CS 5.5 or higher, you're going to go to ActionScript settings, and you're gonna add some resources. So click the plus button and the folder button. Then go to your install directory. So in my case, that is that is program files times 86 and SmartFox Server Pro. You're going to go into Flash API and you're going to select ActionScript 2.0. And you're going to do this again. Oops. You're going to do this again. Okay. And you're going to select SmartFox Server Pro again. You're going to Flash API and you're going to select Redbox Client for AS2. You're going to have those two resources. Click OK. Alright, so that's just basic setup. Now you're going to need to go into the actions script. And you're going to go to frame 16, or sorry, frame 9. And then when you scroll down, you'll go down. We'll change this later. Yeah, you're going to want to make sure that this is localhost, unless you set up a port forwarding service in your gateway, which is your router admin panel, which we're going to do in the publishing tutorial, which will be like the last one. For now, you only need localhost. You don't even need internet to test it on localhost. You can be in the car or whatever and be working on this and test it out and stuff. So make sure it's localhost. It won't default be localhost, and it'll be 192.0.0.1 or something like that. That is your router IP. Unless, you gotta wait until we get to the publishing part. So that's pretty much all. It's a pretty short tutorial of just how to set it up. You just gotta download the files and make sure that you set that thing to localhost. And I'll show you guys basically what it does. Hit Control Enter if you want to test out your SWF without having the debug window and all that crap. And it will start. You can type in whatever name you want. Oh wait, there's one more thing we gotta do for setting it up. Okay, now this text box, that is where you're going to be entering your name. You can change the font, but once again, that's an interface. You're going to want to embed the text. Without the embedding the text, when you type, it won't type anything. It won't have anything. It'll be like typing without having the letters appear, which is actually what just happened. What you're going to need is you're going to check all these off. Actually, not all of them. Just check up to Basic Latin, because you don't need to check off the other languages unless you are planning on making a multi-language game. Okay, now that that's embedded, it automatically embeds for all of them, I think. Let me check. Okay, yeah. Okay, make sure you save your project often, and then hit Control Enter again. And then it'll work. Now, you can see it has a little disc. We're going to be customizing that again, making our own avatar. So if, kind of like what Club Penguin, you're a penguin, we can make it whatever we want. Now, when you say hey, it will work. I don't know why it's doing that. It's been doing that a fair bit. I don't know why. I was calling it a swear. But anyways, another thing you're going to need to do is, I already have this open. Oh, there's the piece of tutorials is being kicked. Now that is weird. Now, usually when you open it, that's because I just had it open from something I was doing earlier. But when you first do it, it'll say connecting. It won't connect. Don't worry about it. Just go to your installation directory folder and double click start.bat. It's a Windows batch file. It'll load from System 32. And for those of you people who are worried, oh my god, it's going to delete my operating system and then I won't have a computer. That's not what's going to happen. It's just going to run a server from System 32. It's not going to erase your operating system. It's not going to be one of those viruses and crap. Trust me, it's working right now for me. Look, and it's going to start loading. Now, for most of you, well, actually for all of you, if you haven't booted this before, this will take a lot longer because it'll be the first boot. So it'll have a whole bunch of stuff above this stuff right here. But when we see server ready, server ready, server ready 3 times, we know that it's ready. And then when you run it again, it will go from connecting to connected, please log in, where you can put in your whatever you want. Alright, and it's doing that. We gotta fix that later. But anyways, that is just the basic tutorial on how to set it up. Make sure to tune in to tutorial 2, or part 2, on how to customize the interface, make it look cool, and then also to part 3, how to configure the .xml file, so you can do the bad words filtering, auto ban, auto kick, stuff like that, and a lot more, setting the room names. And eventually, when I get it up and running, part 4, which will be creating rooms, yay! And then eventually we'll get to publishing and the player cards and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Please like, comment any questions or any comments you have. And also, if I get 5 likes and 5 comments saying that they want it, I will provide the source code as well. For the next tutorial, not for this one because I didn't really do anything in this one, but I will provide the source code from part 2 after the interface and everything's done. So yeah, comment and like on the part 2, but I really appreciate likes on this one too, and also subscribe for the latest and greatest. I hope you guys liked the tutorial, guys. PC Tutorials 007, and I'm out.